Today I am going to discuss about exercise 20D, that means area of triangles. Area of triangle, just this part only I discussed in the previous exercise, but here in details I will discuss, that is equilateral triangles area, isosceles triangles area and scalene triangle area. So let's concentrate on the topic. This is height. We know that this is height. This is base. So triangle's area is half into base into height. This is the area of the triangle. Now I'll discuss equilateral triangles area. Here all the sides are equal. These triangles, all the sides are equal. This is equilateral triangle. Now here I will draw height. This is height. Then actually this is the median of the triangle. Then this base will be bisected. That means this is A, that's why this is A by 2 and this part is A by 2. Now hypotenuse is A. Here height we have to find out first. So by Pythagoras theorem, height square equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. Now hypotenuse square means A square minus base square means A by 2 whole square. Now we will calculate it. That means A square minus A square by 4. Now height equal to root over A square minus A square by 4. Now we will calculate it. Root over 4A square minus A square divided by 4. Now inside the root, 3A square by 4 equal to root 3 into A divided by 4. Sorry, divided by 2, because when 4 will come out from root, then 2 will be the answer. So here height is root 3 by 2 into A. Now we will see what is the area. Area equal to half into base into height. Here base is A. Height is root 3 by 2 into A. So what will be the area? Root 3 by 2 2s are 4 into A square. Here is A, here is A square. Square unit. So here area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into A square. Square unit. Now we will see the area of the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal. This is height. These two sides are equal. Suppose this is isosceles triangle. This base is B. So this is b by 2, this is b by 2. Now we will apply here Pythagoras theorem to find out the height. Here this is right angle, that's why we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So height equal to, okay, height square equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. Hypotenuse square means a square minus b by 2 whole square. Now a square minus b square by 4. So height equal to root over a square minus b square by 4. Now we can calculate it. 4a square minus b square divided by 4 equal to root over 4 a square minus b square divided by 2. When 4 will come out from the root, then it will be 2. So this is height. Now area equal to half into base into height. So half into base means b into height, root over 4a square minus b square divided by 2. That means 2 2s are 4, so b by 4 into root over 4a square minus b square. This is the area of the isosceles triangle, square unit. Area's unit is square unit. B by 4 into root over 4a square minus b square. Now we will see the area formula of scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means 3 sides are unequal. This is scalene triangle. This is A, B and C. These three sides are unequal. Then here first we will see the perimeter of the triangle. First I am writing the name of the triangle, scalene triangle. Perimeter of the triangle first we will see. Perimeter means the sum of all the sides. A plus B plus C. Now we will see the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. Semi-perimeter. That I will denote it by S. A plus B plus C by 2. This is semi-perimeter. Now I am writing the area of the triangle. Area equal to root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square unit. So this is the formula of area of the triangle, scalene triangle. S is the semi-perimeter, A, B, C are the three sides. So this formula is also known as Heron's formula. Mathematician Heron this formula invented. That's why its name is Heron's formula, or one another name is there, that is Hero's formula. Heron and Hero, these both the names of the same person. And the same person's name is Heron's and Hero. Hero's formula. That's all for introduction. So now I am going to start the exercise. come to the exercise. First, I will discuss question number 3. Find the height of a triangular region having an area of 224 meter square and base is 28 meter. Triangular area is given 224 meter square and base is 28 meter. We have to find out the height of that triangular region. So very simple. Let height be h meter. Now we will apply the formula of area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Here we will put all the values. 224 equal to half into base is 28 into h. Now we will calculate it. We will fix h here and this all the numbers will come in this side. So 2 will be multiplied with 224 and 28 will come down. H is fixed. Now we will cut it. By 7 we can cut it. 7 4s are 7, 3s are 21, 1 4, 7 2s are 14. Now 4 8s are 32. So h equal to 8 2s are 16. Therefore the height is 16 meter. Height is 16 meter. Now come to question number 5. The base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. That means base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. That means base is 3 times. So let height be x meter and base is 3x meter. Now if the cost of cultivating the field at rupees 1080 per hectare is rupees 14,580, find its base and height. So here cost is given per hectare. Hectare means 10,000 meter square. Hectare is the area. Hectare means area of the field. That means 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. That you have to remember. That will not be provided in the question. 1 hectare means how much? 1 hectare means 10,000 meter square. Now we will calculate area by using this cost. Total expenditure is 14,580. So let's calculate it. By unitary method we can calculate rupees 1080 is the cost of cultivation (10,000 meter square feet). 1 is the cost of cultivation, 10,000 by 1080 meter square feet, then rupees 14,580 into 14,580 divided by this one. Now we can cancel 0. 0 can be cancelled. Then by 6, okay, by 6 we can calculate it. 6 1 to 6, 6 8 is 48, 6 2 is 12, 2 5 25, 6 4 is 24, 1 8, 6 3 is 18. Now by 9 it can be calculated. 9 2 is 18, 9 2 is 18, 63, 9 7 is 63. By 2, 1 2 3 0. Then 27 into 5,000. That means 000 will be put first. 13,500 meters square. Sorry, 1,35,000. 1,35,000 meters square. Now we will use it in the formula of area. Area equal to half into base into height. Area is this one. Half into base is 3x into height x. So 135,000 into 2. This 2 will go upwards and this 3 will come down, equal to x square. X and x square. Now implies by 3 it can be cut. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 1 2 3 zeros. Then this is 45 2s are 90, 2 3 x square. Then x square equal to 9 into 10,000 we can write. Then it will be easier to do the calculation. X equal to root over 9 into this one equal to root over 3 square into 100 square. So it is 3 into 100. That means x equal to 300. So now we will find out base. This is height. Therefore, height equal to 300 meter. Then base equal to 3 into 300. That is 900 meter. So these are the answers. Now come to question number 8. The legs of a right triangle are in the ratio 3:4 and its area is 1014 centimeters square. Find the length of the legs. Okay. So ratio of the legs of right triangle be 3:4. Let common factor be one leg is 3x, other leg is 4x. Now area is given, area equal to 1014 centimeter square, 1014 centimeter square. Now I will write the formula of area of right triangle. Area of right triangle equal to half into product of two legs, that means height into base. Product of two legs. Area is, I am putting the value, half into 3x into 4x. Now 1014 into 2, this 2 will come in upwards in this side of the equal to, then twelve, 3 4s are 12, x square, 1014 into 2 divided by 12 equal to x square. Then by 2 it can be cut, then by 6 also this can be cut. 6 1s are 6, then 41, 6 6 are 36, then 5 54, 6 9s are 54. So x square equal to 169. So x equal to root over 169. Then implies x equal to 13. So here I put the value of x in this 3x and 4x. One leg is 3 into 13, that means 39 centimeter. Here also centimeter will be. Other leg is 4 into 13, that means 52 centimeter. These are the answers. Now come to question number 9. One side of a right angle triangular curve is 80 centimeter and its longest side is 1 meter. First I am drawing a picture of right angle triangle. Longest side is 1 meter and any one side is 80 centimeter. Now one side is 80 centimeter, longest side is 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter. Now we will find out area of the triangle, but here hypotenuse is given but base is given, height is not given. So first we have to find out the height. By Pythagoras theorem we will find out height. Height equal to root over hypotenuse square minus base square. Hypotenuse square means 100 square minus 80 square. So this is minus, this is 2 zeros will be, and this is 6 and this is 3. So this root over 6 square into 10 square. That means 6 into 10, that means 60 centimeter. Now we can find out meter square, that means area. Area equal to half into base into height. Now we put the value of base and height. Base is, I have taken 80 into height is 60. Now it is centimeter square, 2400 centimeter square. Now it should be converted into meter square because here is given the cost rupees 250 per meter square. That's why the centimeter square will be converted into meter square. How to convert it? When we go centimeter to meter, then what to do? Divided by 100. So centimeter square is given here. So divided by 100 into 100. 2400 is divided by 100 into 100. Meter square. Then 0.24 meter square. Now we will calculate the cost. Therefore, the cost is equal to 0.24 into 250. Because 1 meter square cost 250, then 0.24 meter square cost how much? Rupees 60. 60. 2 digit before point. So rupees 60.